2023, no, my cousin says, no, mama think me need to come because me not like how this are going. She knew my son's father as well. So me I like, do I let her come because she have this mountain view? Not that ghetto is a state of mind, by the way. So I'm not gonna say she ghetto fabulous, but I know that she means me well. And we would have had a very good relationship because we are both in Kingston. Even though I have other cousins here and things, she's like my older cousin, so me I like, all right. But put on decent clothes and just try. Come on about that with no excitement. So she said, all right, cool. So me reach court now and everybody pack up outside around the back and try to get in. So she came out of a taxi. So she come beside me. So both of us outside now waiting to get inside. So when we look up the road, no Mr. Man we see Disciple 13. Disciple 13 bush to the bone. I almost short to all my step is Hollywood catwalk. This no and I say. So she say, him that, no him that. Me say, yeah, no worry yourself. When you look to the left, there was Kita. My cousin look for me look for me. My cousin say, Jesus Christ, and the man come with him wife. We have to go juke her in her face. I say, no, we're not doing that. Because this is the temperature where she have. She just want little excitement and commotion. And I'm like, no, we're not doing that. So we got in. I told the persons that she's with me. We get upstairs. We sit down. In the waiting area, it was my cousin, me, Krista, and Disciple 13. So we're in the hallway, Judge don't reach us yet, and I'm saying to my cousin, so this would be a wonderful time for Disciple 13 to say, even though we're in court, Sheena, this is my wife, this is Sheena. So we're in the space waiting. Nobody know who is who, but we surmise what was. Because somebody did send me a picture of the wedding pic, so I already didn't know what she looked like. But she was very short. I'm like, oh, she's very little. And whatever. Somebody didn't know anxious.
Guys, hallelujah. Glory be to God. Yeah, man. I want to say thank you very much for all of the get well, the wishes, the get better soon, all of the messages will come through. Want to send out to me and all them things. Respect. Me appreciate you. And guys, the way how you make me feel, appreciate it. It's joy. It's a joy to me, So, guys, what me I say is, thank you very much. Enough respect, enough love. Stay blessed, and you don't know, things are come. Me I take me a little time, and me still not fully. Because right or so there's a pain right in us, and then round us so. So most of my body kind of feel alright, but guys, remember if you do, wash your hand, please. Wash your hand, drink a whole heap of water. Yeah, man, drink a whole heap of water. And you say, ibuprofen, me can't call the name, they're good. Sometimes just take 2 of them pills, because them pills get things out of your body. Anyway, go and watch the video. I'm out.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? You alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, you see how me look? You see how me sound? Yes, this is me. I'm back again because, guys, I wasn't feeling good. I mean, I tell you the truth. Listen to what I say. Wash your hand. Drink a lot of water. And if you're not to go around people, stay away from people. And if you do go around people, wash your hand always. And when you go home, the clothes that you have out the door, take off that clothes immediately. Put it in the bath. Put it for wash. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, also guys, I have something to tell you. If you're living in the New York area and you're looking for somebody to take care of your mother, your sister, your brother, your cousin, I have someone who is looking for a job. If you want a person who is ready for work, a person who have that work energy, a person who have that clean energy, a person who have that love for even a person who is not their family. I'm talking about a 9-year veteran in a home care of your family. CNA, HAS, and all the accolades that there is for taking care of your parents. If you're looking for somebody, or if you know somebody that is looking for somebody, give that person my number. Have that person reach out to me, and I'll give you the information of the individual who is looking for work in the New York area. So that means you can get to contact that person and move on from there. Welcome, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, you been doing a wellness check? I hope you know how to do a wellness check, because we need to know say everybody all right. Mental health crisis is not a joke. It's not something you play with. So, guys, what we need to know say everybody all right with mental health. Guys, cook some food. Cook like an extra. Give me Spally down the road and Jack over the river. And guys, if it's your birthday, happy birthday to you. If it's not your birthday, still happy birthday when it comes. If your birthday was yesterday, happy belated birthday. Guys, Valentine's are come. No make me start about that one. Because make me move on. My viewers and subscribers, any of you know, while me sick, while me never feel good, any of you know see Sheena, a bitter baby mama out the road. Any of you see her? You don't see her? I don't see her. Oh, hold on. Oh, somebody said them see her. Somebody said them see her with what? Hold on. Oh, somebody said them see her. We don't have video name Sip 2. Now, Sheena, let me talk to you, Sheena. Come here a little bit. Sheena, you say you're educated, yeah? You say you went to U, yeah? You have high-class qualification. Me not have them the qualification that you got. No, me not have them. But if me did so dumb, and if me did act so stupid, boy, I tell you the truth. I would have glad to have your qualification, because at least if me have them, then me would not act so stupid. Now, Sheena, you make a video named The Sip 2. Why on earth did you make that video? But I'm going to say to you, thank you very much for that video. Yay! Sheena finally come up with something. Yay! Why did you make that video? Why? You talk some things in that video, you see? Where allow me to dig a little deeper in a you and Krista. Now make we move right in a you immediately. So hold on a little bit. You lie to the police because you say you're baptized and you're baptized naked. So apparently because you're baptized naked, you're more holier than everybody else. But you're more liar than everybody else when you're baptized naked. That's how you go. Because you tell the police say you don't know nothing about the man where called Narry. But yet still you have a gangster cousin where you carry at the people in court. You have a gangster cousin where you carry the people in court where you go as far as tell the gangster cousin say, no, juke her in her eye because the gangster cousin want juke her in her eye, and you attack to the gangster cousin like when you tell puppy if he sit. Because once you tell the gangster cousin say, don't move, don't do nothing, she go listen to you. So apparently you carry your little puppy, go at the people in court. What I like of it? Hey, I come now. Me say me feel good. Only one little pain in your so. There one little pain in your so. Me don't know what kind of pain, but one pain there right in your so. People, it's soon gone, but me no know where it come from. But this lady said our cousin come at the court. I want to war. I want to stick this woman in her eye. I want to fight this man. And you come out on YouTube and I said that out of your mouth? After your video is your experience at the court? Your experience at the court, apparently your experience at the court was a bit crazy. A lot happened. You have misfortune. Yeah, I understand those. I understand that. I not go beat you on that. It's part of life. It's nature. I not go beat you on that. I go be honest with you. Because you know me not beat around bush. Honest and honesty. That part, me not go beat up on that part because there's nothing you can do to stop that thing if you don't know it's coming. Anyway, I give thanks, you know, say it come. You realize say something not right and you could have run to get it. You know, because it will look bad if you everybody look on yourself. Alright, give thanks for that. Anyway, we could move from that. Because I'm going to give thanks for that, say it never happened that way, but let's carry on. After you say gangster rock. I must say, so we need to go on in the church. Gangster rock. Because how the hell you must know, say, your cousin are hothead. And you want to carry your hothead cousin, go at the people in court. Like, if your cousin did stick that woman in her eye or fight the man, you see them bangle, them silver bangle where, I don't know if your cousin like one of them or you like one, but it may be two of you did I go in one of them silver bangle. Why you make that video? I don't know. Anyway, you're talking at the video how Narry never come to court. And you have to go to the court. And Narry never come to the court. But we soon reach to that part. Make we talk about something where you say that really, really surpass my brains. And I'm not surprised. It surpassed my brains. It is not a surprise. It surpassed my brains. Because I couldn't believe say you said that in your video. Listen to what this lady said. This lady said she turned around and said to her cousin, the madded one, the hothead one, the gangster one, this would be a good time for Narry to introduce his wife to her. Hold on a little bit. Did you really sit down and make a video and say, it is a good time for Narry to introduce his wife to you, which is his bitter baby mother, who in court. Hold on a little bit. So we at court. This is me and Narry. This is me and Narry. Yes, let's say me and Narry. You sit down over there, sir. You are the bitter baby mother. The wife sit down over there, sir. Me if you get up and say, Krista, this is, what did you want Narry to say? This is my bitter baby mama that I wish I didn't have intercourse with and get her pregnant. That's what you want Narry to get up and say? Or you want Narry to get up and say, Krista, this is my beautiful ex-woman. Or you want Narry to get up and say, Krista, this is Miss, wish I didn't know her. Which one of them you want? Then you go and say, how Narry should I introduce his wife to you or introduce you to his wife? What do you want Narry to say? Sheena, this is my beautiful wife. Or he should say, Sheena, this is my wife that I know that she's cheating with her ex-husband. That's what you think she should have done? 2023? Because a long time that woman a cheat on Narry with a man, you know. Long time. She claims that me no know, but a long time. Because remember me tell you, Narry can't cool that woman. That woman come like a 10 fireside. Me not go there, so. Me left, right there, so. What should Narry do? That's you is going to say, that's the time Narry should have introduced you to his wife. Why do you think that guy would do such thing like that when you and him is at court? You and him is at court over a kid we don't have. And you think he will get up and introduce him now, wife, to you? That's just to show you. If Narry snapping finger like that, you spread out like sheet. If Narry snapping finger like that, because you still want Narry. You still want Narry. And because you realize you cannot get the man, you continuously do these things. Within the video where you make, you say you don't see the reason for the court. Now, if you don't see the reason for the court, you could have stopped it. You could have contacted Narry, but yet still you lie by saying you don't know where Narry is. You could have contacted Narry and said, well, let us, we can't talk this way. We're not going to court today. What would you like? And you could have said, okay, let the man that foreign, the kid could have live a foreign, the kid could have go back and forth a foreign easy. It's an opportunity to make this little man learn and make this little man grow up with a powerful heart and a powerful mind. But no, again, it's all about you because you in the middle of court. You and your baby father are go to court for custody, but you want him to introduce you to his wife. You say somebody sent a picture to you at the wedding. And also, Krista said nobody out there have any picture of the wedding. What kind of? Lord, let's help them people. How comes people come at your wedding? At the door, you did stop everybody from coming with them camera and them phone and so. That's the only way you're not going to have picture out there. Anyway, we could go past that. Sheena, you now say Krista never come off at none of the court. The 7 other case court date. Krista never come on none of them. But all of a sudden, Krista come at this one. Well dressed. And how you say how she shot because you see picture. But let me ask Krista a question. Krista, why did you go to that hearing with your husband at the time? Why did you go? You go in support of your husband? Or you go because you believe in your husband? Because as far as me concerned, you say from 2023, 2024, things gone bad with you and your husband. So, how you reach Jamaica with Narry? That will show you how lie and wicked you is. Because you've been to Jamaica with Narry on the behalf of his son. So when you are talking about how Narry this, Narry that, Narry this, Narry that, me think there is something you hide. And the thing is, if you come out with the truth, it will set you free. The truth will set you free. Krista, this truth will set you free. Now, while me listen to Sheena attack her things, Sheena go as far as say, if I never fit God and if I never fit Jesus and all these sort of things. So Sheena, I'm going to ask you a question, you see? So what you're saying to me is, God see that you are doing the right thing and Narry is doing the wrong thing. Because I really don't understand it sometimes because apparently you never summon God like that before because you realize something is not right. But yet still you ask the question, how comes Narry never bring Krista to any of the... Well, and a matter of fact, you say, how Krista never come and none of the 7 case? Court will go on already. But yet still you say Narry never come at them. So is it that Narry come? Or him never come? Left that for another day. You say Narry with the 2-year-old. You say people need to help Krista because Krista go be in hell because of what you went through. Now, if you notice what happened, Krista give her child to Narry, and Narry have the child. Narry have that child, meanwhile Krista running around doing what? I won't say what she had do, because me never did it. But as you hear what she says, she have several relationships. So she give the baby to Narry, and outside there running around cooling hot dogs. Yeah. Narry have the baby and she out there run up and down a cool hot dog. So, what Narry ain't doing nothing wrong. Narry is taking care of the 2-year-old while mama running around cooling hot dogs. I saw a video and the video said that there is text message showing that Alicia Kim was texting Narry. Now, I'm going to ask a question. I haven't looked at it. Guys, I haven't looked at it. I haven't said anything. I haven't seen it because I don't watch those people videos. I just see the headline. Now, I'm going to say this. Any text message that Krista have and it says Kim on it in Narry's phone. If the word Alicia Kim is there, yeah, fine. Because remember, there's 1 million and 3 million and 4 million Kim in the world. And if it says Alicia Kim and it says some words which you can say, okay, that look like something I go on. If it doesn't say that, stop making stupidness on yourself. If it says those things, that's when you can use those things in court. But if it don't say those things, if you don't pinpoint any point like it says something about us in a relationship, then why waste time on those things? Why waste time on it? Prove. If you have proof that there's a text message in Narry's phone and it says Kim, how are you going to know it's Alicia Kim? Did it say Alicia Kim? If it says Alicia Kim, but if it don't say Alicia Kim, or if it don't say her name, then how comes you going to say it's her? The thing what I'm saying to you all is this. Try to have evidence of what you are putting out there. If you don't have the evidence, and stop use this stupid word about no allegedly, allege. Oh, I'm gonna use allege for everything. You only say allege when you do not know if it's confirmation. And if you say allege and it's not confirmation, then how are you going to say yes, are true? And guys, there's another thing I heard someone ask me about it. And guys, I'll be making a separate video. Answer that question. A separate video. Answer that question. Someone asked me a question yesterday. And I'm going to make a separate video about that question that person asked me. So, Guys, with that said, you don't know. I'm back. Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Me there, yeah. And guys, listen here. I don't know if I'm going to do Sunday and Monday, but I'm thinking about doing Sunday and Monday, or just Monday. You know? So I'm thinking about it. But guys, this is what I'm thinking of doing. I want to have a discussion. And the discussion that I want to have is I want to talk about what is going on with many of the women, you know, help that they can get. That's what I want to talk about. Yes, I want to talk about Alicia Kim and what's going on, but I want to really talk about the help that I can get, help for some of these people who really need it, like if there is jobs anywhere that people can get, you know, those are the things I'm trying to start to do. So if you guys can help me, or if you guys know anyone who can come on the live this weekend and we talk about things that is going on with abuse, woman abuse, marriage abuse, immigration abuse. Let us talk about those things. Ladies, if you're feeling, if you don't want to talk about it, I'm working on something that will change the voice on a live. I don't know if it go work, but I'm working on a couple things. Hopefully, guys, you realize I have to be going, taking a certain kind of breath. Yeah, I'm still not 100, but you know, I'm way better than the other day. So guys, with that said, enough love, enough respect, manners, and guys, I'm out. Bye bye.